Welcome to the channel guys. Today I will show you how to get the IDM extension in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome, settings, more tools, extensions. Press start, IDM, open file location. Right click, file location. Now you see this CRX, this file. Drag this to the here, add extension. But you see this error, something attempt to ground grade extension. Press OK. To clear this error, you should go to settings, manage other people's, remove. You should remove everything in this. See here, new extension added, IDM, enable extension. Now you see the extension was added.